Just-in-time manufacturing, or JIT, is another lean concept that originated with Toyota. Originally, just-in-time took a literal meaning. The goal of JIT manufacturing was to produce an output just in time, or as needed by the customer. The customer was the person or process that required the output. Sometimes, that meant the end customers, and, other times, the customer was a different employee or process within the organization. In a just-in-time processing situation, one machine might produce a part required by another machine. Just-in-time manufacturing means that the first machine supplies only the amount of parts that the second machine can process. If the second machine can process one part per minute, the first machine is set to produce one part per minute. You'll recognize this idea from the sections on murder of inventory and overproduction. It's obviously not always possible to run a process just in time for the end customer, but most modern companies do try to come as close as possible. Using predictive analytics, companies attempt to estimate how many of each product will sell before they produce those products. In some cases, such as with book publishing, companies run a smaller number of items first. If those items sell well or sell out, the company orders bigger and bigger runs of the product. Some entrepreneurs have applied just-in-time manufacturing to DVD sales. These individuals and companies buy the rights to films that have never been released on DVD or Blu-ray before. They usually go after low-cost films that are likely to have a small cult or niche following. Because the demand is small, it isn't feasible to print and market these DVDs in traditional fashion. However, the companies make a stable profit by selling the DVDs through online retailers such as Amazon.com and printing the DVDs to order. Modern technology lets this process occur with minimal expense and waiting. Today, just-in-time mentalities are less about the literal idea of providing the product just in time. Rather, it has become a more general concept of lean manufacturing that helps organizations eliminate waste in the process. Starting from the first lectures of this Six Sigma course till now, we've covered many of the high-level lean concepts, and you'll see some of these concepts repeat throughout the rest of this course. While Six Sigma is concerned with improving processes and reducing defects, eliminating waste and increasing efficiencies goes hand in hand with these goals.